Causes of the First War of Independence. Political causes. Question 4. Mention any 4 political causes of the First War of Independence. 4 marks. Answer. 4 political causes of the First War of Independence are policy of expansion, disrespect shown to Bahadur Shah, treatment given to Nana Sahib, and absentee sovereignty of the British. All are explained below. Question 5. Name and explain the 4 ways in which the British expanded their territorial power in India. 4 marks. Answer. 4 ways in which the British expanded their territorial power in India are outright wars, subsidiary alliance, by adopting the doctrine of lapse, and on the pretext of alleged misrule. All are explained below. Question 6. What was the policy of expansion? 2 marks. Answer. 1. Policy of expansion dash. After the East India Company's victory at Battle of Plassey in 1757, their territorial power increased immensely, which bent them upon conquering the whole of India. In order to do this, they waged wars, used diplomacy, and issued ordinances, which was mainly done in 4 ways, which were by outright wars, subsidiary alliance, by adopting the doctrine of lapse, and on the pretext of alleged misrule. Question 7. Name 4 wars which British waged in India to expand their territory and safeguard their political and economic interests. 4 marks, or. What was the outcome of the Battle of Buxar? 1 mark, or. What was the outcome of the Anglo-Mysore Wars? 1 mark, or. What was the outcome of the Second Anglo-Sikh War? 1 mark, or. What was the outcome of the Third Anglo-Maratha? 1 mark. Answer. A. Outright wars dash. To expand their territory and safeguard their political and economic interests in India, the British waged many wars. The Battle of Buxar made British the masters of Bengal, Odisha and Bihar, Bob. The Anglo-Mysore Wars annexed most of the territories of the Mysore state. Second Anglo-Sikh War annexed Punjab after the Sikhs got defeated. Third Anglo-Maratha bought the Peshwa's entire dominions and all the Maratha territory north and south of the Narmada River under the British control. Question 8. What was the subsidiary alliance? It was introduced by whom? 4 marks. Answer. B. Subsidiary alliance dash. Subsidiary alliance was introduced by Lord Wellesley, which bought those states under the British control without being actually annexed. It involved agreeing to the following by the Indian rulers dash. Accepted the British as the supreme power. Accepted a British resident at their headquarters. Agreed to maintain British troops at their own cost. Agreed that they would not enter into any alliance with any other power and surrender their foreign relations to the British. And virtually lost their independence. By 1856, practically all the Indian states had either been annexed or had entered into alliances with the company. The British had become the supreme power, and the Indian princes were merely reduced to puppets. Question 9. Name 2 states that were brought under the control using the subsidiary alliance. 1 mark. Answer. 2 Indian states brought under the British control using the subsidiary alliance are Awadh and Hyderabad.